If you want to add noise in Krita, whether you're creating a gritty texture, digital film grain, or a more natural handmade look, this quick tutorial will walk you through the whole process. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. To add noise in Krita, start by opening the image or artwork you want to edit, then look at the top menu bar. Click Filter, hover over Other, and then choose Random Noise. This is the built-in option Krita uses to generate noise on your artwork. Now, before you click anything too quickly, it's important to know that there are two ways to apply this effect. The first is the destructive method, which means the noise is applied directly to your active layer. This is fast and simple, but once it's applied, it permanently changes the layer unless you undo it. This is useful if you just want to quickly add grain and move on. The second option is the non-destructive method, which is the better choice if you want more control. In your layers docker, click the small arrow next to the plus icon, then choose either filter layer or filter mask. This lets you keep the noise editable, so you can come back later and change the settings without damaging your original artwork. If you're working on a serious illustration, painting, or design project, this is usually the safer option. Once the random noise window opens, you'll see a few key controls that let you shape the look of the grain. The first one is level. This controls how strong the noise appears. A higher value will create a heavier, more visible grain effect, while a lower value gives you a subtle texture that can blend into the artwork more naturally. Next is opacity. This adjusts how much the noise blends with the pixels underneath. If you lower the opacity, the effect becomes softer and less overpowering. If you increase it, the noise stands out more clearly. This is a great setting to tweak if your texture looks too harsh at first. Then there's the grayscale option. If you check this box, Krita will generate monochromatic grain, which is ideal if you want a classic noise effect or something that looks more like film grain. If you uncheck it, the noise becomes multicolored, almost like digital static. That can be useful if you want a more vibrant or glitchy effect. A good tip is to start with a low level setting and then slowly increase it until it feels right. That gives you much more control than jumping straight to a strong amount of noise. Also, if you're using the non-destructive method, you can always go back and fine-tune the effect later without starting over. Noise can be surprisingly useful in Krita. You can use it to add texture to backgrounds, give digital art a more organic feel, create rough surfaces, or even make your artwork look less flat. So don't think of it as just static. It's actually a powerful design tool. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK and your noise will be applied. If you use the filter layer or filter mask, the effect stays editable. If you use the direct method, the noise is now part of the layer itself. And that's how to add noise in Krita in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.